In the vast expanse of nature's most intricate ecosystems, where life thrives in the smallest of spaces and every creature plays a vital role, one small insect stands out as a true hero of the natural world. The honeybee, Apis mellifera, is perhaps one of the most important and most fascinating creatures on Earth. With its tiny, delicate wings and black and yellow striped body, the honeybee might seem unassuming, but its impact on the world is profound. Native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, the Apis mellifera, commonly known as the Western honeybee, has become a cornerstone of agricultural systems worldwide. The honeybee's importance extends far beyond its role in producing honey. This remarkable insect plays a critical part in the process of pollination, which is essential for the growth and reproduction of many plants, including a wide variety of food crops. In fact, it is estimated that 1/3 of the food we consume, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even some grains, depends on pollination by insects, with honeybees being the most efficient pollinators in nature. At the heart of the honeybee's remarkable ability to pollinate lies its complex and highly efficient anatomy. With wings that beat around 200 times per second, honeybees are capable of flying at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, zipping from flower to flower with incredible agility. Their large compound eyes allow them to see ultraviolet light, a spectrum invisible to humans, which helps them locate flowers that are rich in nectar. This ability to detect ultraviolet patterns on flowers, often called nectar guides, makes the honeybee an expert forager, able to spot the flowers that are most likely to reward its efforts. The honeybee's specialized body is perfectly designed for the task of pollination. Its furry body is covered in fine hairs that pick up pollen as the bee moves from flower to flower. The pollen sticks to these hairs, which the bee then transfers to other flowers, facilitating the fertilization process. This process is essential for the reproduction of many plants and ensures the production of seeds and fruits. As a result, honeybees play a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of ecosystems. But the honeybee's contributions don't stop with pollination. Inside the hive, it is a creature of social harmony and teamwork. Honeybees are highly social insects, living in large colonies that can number in the tens of thousands. These colonies are organized with incredible precision, with each bee assigned a specific role in the hive's intricate operation. The queen, the reproductive center of the hive, is the most important member, laying thousands of eggs each day to ensure the survival of the colony. Worker bees, the female bees, are responsible for foraging, caring for the queen's offspring, and defending the hive. Drones, the male bees, exist solely to mate with the queen. The hive itself is a marvel of engineering. It is constructed from wax secreted by the worker bees, who carefully build hexagonal cells, perfectly shaped to store honey and pollen and to house the larvae. This design allows the bees to store their food efficiently, ensuring that the colony has enough supplies to survive through the winter months, when foraging is impossible. Honey production is one of the most well-known aspects of the honeybee's behavior. When a worker bee forages for nectar, it collects the liquid in its specialized honey stomach, where enzymes break down the sugars. Once it returns to the hive, the bee passes the nectar to other worker bees, who continue the process of digestion, turning the nectar into honey. The honey is then stored in the hexagonal wax cells, where it is capped with wax and preserved. This honey serves as the primary food source for the hive during the colder months, providing the bees with the energy they need to survive when flowers are not blooming. The social structure of the honeybee colony is nothing short of extraordinary. Each member plays a vital role in ensuring the survival of the hive. Bees communicate with one another through complex dances called the waggle dance, which allows them to share the location of the best nectar sources. This form of communication ensures that the hive functions as a well-coordinated unit, with each bee working in harmony to achieve a common goal. Despite their small size, honeybees are capable of incredible feats of strength and endurance. They can carry up to half their body weight in nectar and pollen, and in their lifetime, they will visit thousands of flowers, pollinating countless plants along the way. Each honeybee colony can produce up to 100 pounds of honey per year, a staggering amount considering the size of the colony and the effort required. Despite their essential role in nature, honeybees are facing numerous threats that jeopardize their survival. Among the biggest challenges they face is colony collapse disorder, CCD. This mysterious phenomenon has caused the mass disappearance of honeybee colonies worldwide, leaving the queen and brood behind. While the exact causes of CCD are still unclear, it is believed to be a combination of factors such as pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, and diseases that weaken bee populations. Pesticides, particularly neonicotinoids, have proven to be toxic to honeybees. These chemicals affect the bees' ability to navigate, forage, and communicate, making it harder for them to return to the hive. The contamination of nectar and pollen further disrupts the colony, contributing to disorientation and death. The widespread use of pesticides in agriculture threatens not only the bees, but also the entire food chain, as honeybees are crucial for pollination. Another pressing concern is habitat loss. As cities expand and farmland increases, natural habitats that once provided bees with a diverse range of flowers are being destroyed. This loss reduces the availability of nectar and pollen sources, which are vital for the bees' nutrition. Monoculture farming, which focuses on growing a single crop over large areas, further exacerbates the issue as it limits the variety of food sources for bees. Without access to a range of plants, honeybees cannot sustain themselves, leading to colony stress and decline. Climate change also plays a critical role in the decline of honeybees. Rising temperatures, erratic weather patterns, and shifting flowering seasons disrupt the synchronization between bees and the plants they pollinate. Flowers may bloom earlier or later than usual, which creates a mismatch between when bees are active and when nectar is available. This forces honeybees to work harder to find food, leading to energy depletion and weaker colonies. The Varroa destructor mite, a parasitic pest, has also been devastating honeybee populations. These mites attach themselves to bees, feeding on their blood and spreading diseases. The weakened bees are then more vulnerable to infections and struggle to perform their essential tasks, such as foraging and protecting the hive. Varroa mites have become one of the most difficult challenges faced by beekeepers, and their control remains a major concern for honeybee conservation. Despite these challenges, efforts to protect honeybees are gaining momentum. Sustainable farming practices that reduce pesticide use and encourage crop diversity are essential to supporting bee populations. Additionally, creating pollinator-friendly habitats, such as wildflower meadows and urban gardens, can provide bees with the resources they need to thrive. Many organizations and individuals are also advocating for bee-friendly legislation that bans harmful pesticides and encourages practices that protect pollinators. Beekeepers are playing a crucial role in honeybee conservation by adopting organic beekeeping methods, reducing chemical exposure, and maintaining healthy hives. Moreover, urban beekeeping is becoming increasingly popular, with city dwellers raising awareness about the importance of bees and contributing to their conservation by creating safe spaces for them in urban environments. The survival of honeybees is directly tied to the future of agriculture, biodiversity, and food security. As pollinators of many crops, honeybees are essential for the production of fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Their decline would lead to decreased crop yields and higher food prices, affecting global food systems. By protecting honeybees and their habitats, we are not just saving a species, we are securing the future of our ecosystems and food supplies. The story of the honeybee is one of resilience, teamwork, and an intricate connection to nature. As long as we take steps to protect them, honeybees will continue to play their vital role in pollination, ensuring the survival of countless species, including our own.